Base hit. Base hit. You know what time it is? Mr. Wilson, Donnie Wilson, coming off a grand slam last week. He's feeling good, looking good. Got the big league chew in his mouth. Here we go. He knows better. He knows better. Oh, that looks good. Grand motherfucking slam! Damn! What? What? Got that one? Yeah! 2 weeks in a row. D Grapes.
Yeah, boy.
2 weeks in a row.
Next.